How to add music, text and emojis to Instagram notes. Before you proceed, firstly, make sure you have updated your Instagram app to latest version. Now, open your Instagram app. After you land to homepage, go to Messenger icon on top right corner. Now, on the top, you'll find option of your note. Tap on it. Please type whatever you want and add some emoji. As you can see here below down, Instagram has updated with this new music feature. Tap on it. Here you'll get different music. Also, you can search for the music of your choice. After you selected the music and it appears, you can just open the music. Now, from here, you can easily select the particular part of the music by swiping on the right and left. After you do that, you can tap on the tick mark option. Now, your Instagram note is ready with text, emoji and music. Once you're all done, tap on your option to upload it. You can see here I just updated my Instagram note along with music feature. So in this way you can add music, text and emoji to Instagram note. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us for more tutorials. Thank you.